Hey guys, as promised, I am doing another video to explain to you what you need to do on activity 11 in your investigation. It's a little bit different than just opening a document like you've done in the past. So I need you to watch the video. I'm going to talk you through it. And then if you still have questions, ask the sub in the room or ask Mrs. Hoffman or Miss Edwards if they're there, and we'll go from there. So when you go to activity number 11, it's called create a draft argument. This is where you're going to take all of your information that you've gathered, all of the data, and you're going to put it together to answer that guiding question. So to create a draft argument to share what you figured out. You may want to revisit the following activities before you begin working on your draft argument. So activity 4 was some ideas you can use. Activity 4 was all about the nature of light. Activity 5 was all about light rays. And activity 6 was the properties of transparent materials. So go back and look through those, see if there's any evidence or support that you can pull from those 3 activities before you start your draft. So you're going to open up where it's linked right here, draft argument presentation template. You're going to open that up. You're going to fill out the text boxes on the first slide and change the graph or table as needed. Then you're going to submit it just like you have done in the past. If you can't remember how to do it, there's a video down here on how to do it. So then you're going to submit here. After this, we're done with this investigation. So you're going to click on that. You have to make a copy just like you've done in the past. It's opening slowly. There we go. And we have slides this time instead of a document. So up here it says guiding question. Guys, you've been working on the same guiding question for this whole investigation. So go back to one of the other activities and copy and paste that guiding question. Then you're going to insert your claim. You're going to tell me what is your answer to the guiding question. What did you discover? Over here on this side, this is where your justification of evidence is. 3 pieces of data that you have found that supports your claim. And then here's your evidence. So this could be a table, it could be a graph, could be images, it could be different facts, whatever you want to put in that table to show me to show me that those 3 pieces of evidence support your claim. Okay, so all of your information goes here. Your 3 strongest pieces of evidence go over here. Now, the next question or next slide, it's not going to work. There we go. So you have 3 options on the slide deck. You can do a data table, you can do a graph or some other visual. And the next couple of slides talk to you about how to do a table and how to do a graph in there. So that gives you some information. Then it gives you, on slide number 5, shows you how to do some graphs and things like that. And then the next one, it just gives you some other information. So the only thing that you're turning in is slide number 1. So when you're finished completing slide number 1, you're going to erase slide 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you're just going to submit that first slide. This is where all of your information is going. The only thing you're adding on this slide, on the slide presentation, is things on slide number 1. You've got this, guys. If you're home and you're not getting the help that you need, text your study buddy or see if you can email your group or whatever it is that you need to do in order to be successful. This is not hard. It looks different, but you can do it. So the only thing you're changing or filling out is anything that's here on slide number 1. When you're done filling out slide number 1, you're going to delete slide 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you're going to upload that. You guys can do this. I know you can. You're fantastic. I'll see you back in the building tomorrow. Bye.